What are the girls doing today? We are making Riesling Pickled Radishes. Got the recipe from Jenny Goff. It's going to be water, radishes, salt, vinegar, Riesling wine. We use pepper medley, whole cloves, and granulated sugar. And I'll have the recipe at the end of the video. Or no, I won't wait till the end. I'll put it in the description box. Okay, I forgot this. But these are the radishes. Dagny sliced them, cleaned them, and had them soaking in salt water overnight. And there we go. Okay, this is the brine solution. Dagny's got simmering. Smells good. Okay, it's been a while since I made a video, so I didn't film this. But we filled the jars with radishes and we put a couple of sliced garlic in it because we have to. That's just the name of the game in this house. Well, it's finished water bathing, and there's the inside of the pot, crystal clear. Dagny's going to take these jars out and set them over on the cooling rack.
And there is jar number 1.
We let it stay in there about 10 minutes so they don't get funky.
Oh yeah.
It's a peppercorn, in case you wonder what that black thing is, or a clove or something. So just to let you know, they all turned out beautiful.